I make over $50 every day within the safety of my own home. Isn't that amazing? What would you think if I said that you could make the same amount of money? The only thing you have to learn is a straightforward technique that you could repeatedly apply to earn hundreds of dollars within the safety of your home. Want to know more about the trick? It's just typing. I'm sure that everyone here is familiar with typing. I am referring to the present day, free, even toddlers can type. And don't fret, as you don't have to be a pro in the art of typing, which is ideal for people who are new to the field and want to make money online. This method is also free and works across the globe. Therefore, you don't need to think about anything whatsoever. I'll give you a bonus site that you can use to increase your earnings by using this method today. I want you guys to head over to this website right here that is called typingtest.com. What this website does is it allows you to test how good you are at typing. Don't worry, because their test on this website is quite simple. It only takes 60 seconds. Now down here, you can see two drop-down boxes that you can select. The first box determines how long the test you take will be, and the second drop-down box shows you what your test will be now. This is important because you want to take the standardized test. So go ahead and select the 1-minute test option and choose the medium text option. Once you're down, you can now click on this button right here. You will be sent to the test page. You will type the words that you can see on your screen as fast and as accurately as you can. So don't just try to rush it, because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low to do your best. The timer will start once you type the first letter. I won't bore you guys with 1 minute of me doing the typing test, so let's move on to the next part of this video. Once you finish the test, you will have your result, and it will look something like this. They will give you your typing speed and accuracy now. Once you multiply those two values, you will receive your net typing speed. Now you want to take note of this number right here, because that will determine how much money you can make with this method today. However, if you're not satisfied with your typing speed, then you can click on this option on the left that says Typing Courses Now. As you guys can see right here, you can double your typing speed by taking this course. So even if you're satisfied with your typing speed, I would still recommend you guys to take this course, because you could potentially double the amount of money that you earn with this once you're done taking the typing course. Retake the typing test and see if your speed has improved. There is a high chance that it has. So once again, I want you guys to take note of your net typing speed and head on over to the website. The website that I'm talking about is Rev, and you guys can head over here at rev.com. This is a website where freelancers can sign up to be transcribers. For those of you who aren't familiar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words you hear in the videos. Now don't worry, because it's pretty easy. All you have to do is watch a video and kind all of the words you hear. As you guys can see right here, there are 3 options: transcription, English caption, and foreign subtitles. Now the amount of money you will earn depends on the option that you prefer. If you select the transcription option, you will make $1.25 per minute, and you'll do basic subtranscription. The same goes for the English captions option. You'll earn $1.25 as well, but this time you're going to caption videos instead. Now for the third option. It'll pay us the most at $3 to $7 per minute. However, this one is also the hardest, because you'll be translating the audio from a foreign language. So this is not for everyone. Now, if you think this website might not be legit, don't worry, as you guys can see below. It's trusted by 170,000 plus customers across all industries. Some of these customers are major companies such as Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCM. This means that it's legit, because significant companies such as these would never support scams. So scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button right here, which says Become a Freelancer. That will then take you to another web page where you can sign up for a free account. As you guys can see, all you have to do is type in your first name, your last name, email address, and create a password. Cut this part. The company section is not required, so you can leave it blank. Ensure to uncheck this first box so that you won't receive any marketing emails, and check the second box to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. After that, you can click the Create Account button right here. After that, you will have your completely free account, and then you can start transcribing. However, you won't always get jobs here, since many freelancers have already signed up on Revs, so I'll give you a second website with fewer freelancers, which means you can get more jobs. The second website that I'll show you today is TranscribeMe at transcribing.com. This is another transcription website where people can go onto and have other people transcribe their videos. However, you won't be the one heading over here to have other people do the transcriptions. What you want to do is create an account. As you guys can see here, you will have the opportunity to grow professionally, choose your hours and your work location, make great new friends from all over the world, and best of all, and make money every week. Everyone starts from transcription, but as you get more experience, other positions will become available to you. Below you can see the form to sign up for a free account. However, let's focus on this section on the right first. No need to look for work. It comes to you now. This is an excellent feature on this website because you no longer have to hunt for jobs actively. After all, this website will deliver the jobs to you directly transcribed whenever and wherever your work hours here are not strict at all, and you aren't required to sit at a desk. You can do so in your garden, at the beach, or even at school if you are still a student. Work as much or as little as you like, so if you feel like your workload is too much, you can take a step back and relax and come back to work whenever you feel ready. Transcribed short 2 or 4 minute clips, not extended interviews. Now, unlike Rev.com, where you are most likely to transcribe full videos, this website only sends you short clips so that you won't be overwhelmed by the transcribing process. There are a lot of benefits to this website, so let's sign up for a free account. The first step is to enter your basic information: first name, last name, email, create a password, and then confirm your password. All that you must fill in the PayPal email address, which is excellent since you will get paid through PayPal, and I'm sure the majority of viewers enjoy it when you get paid via PayPal. And then select your address and select the language you want to notify in. Just enter your gender and status and include the experience of your transcription. You can then choose your preferred language. As you can observe right here, there are many different languages that you can pick below. You will see some options. However, I strongly suggest that you fill out the form to have the best chance of being accepted. Then, check this box and click the Create Profile button after completing your registration. The next step is to finish their training and examination course. Anyone who can complete the course successfully will be hired soon and will get the opportunity to work for a salary in certain instances. You may need to be put on a waiting list while they review your application. However, don't be concerned because the process is quick, as they still need more transcriptionists, and that's the end. The only thing you need to do now is to find some transcription work, begin typing, and make thousands of dollars right into your PayPal account. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, hit the like button, and be back in the following video.